Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the bow tie for my son. My wife just ordered it through Amazon Prime. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. It seems like the box is kind of small, but I'm not sure why they use this big bubble envelope. Tear perforation to open. That's what I'm trying to do. There you go. Holy. Wow, look at this. Made in China. It looks like it's pretty good quality. I'm not sure how much she got this for. Jaiff. Jeffy or what? Let's go ahead and then get this open it up. At first I thought it was only one. Let's see. Why only buy one? She bought a bowl pack. So that's good. So this is like a black bow tie with like a chevron pattern. And you got this adjustable ribbon right here to adjust smaller, and then there's a hook to loop around your neck. Wow. And there's this one right here. No wonder Amazon CEO is making his richest man on earth right now. And then right now, Walmart tried to offer the, guess what, the blue box or the box advertising, but their shipping take 2 days. But if you have Amazon Prime, you receive it the next day. Most of the package. So this one is a blue one with the gray or silver color. And this one is like a navy color with the design on the corner. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing for 6 packs of the bow tie. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. And then subscribe if you guys are new, so you guys won't miss out new and latest unboxing or tutorial of guides or anything, repair. Be sure to hit that notification bell Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. So just be like rich dad, all right? Don't buy retail, buy it in bulk and save money that way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.